Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am gonna show you how to make this Canva poster design in 4 minutes. So let's start. The first thing you need to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's open up a blank poster design in Canva, and then we're gonna go to elements, go to shapes, and from here I'm gonna insert a rectangle. I'm gonna put it on top, and I'm just gonna make sure that half of my template is covered from it, and then rotate it like this. Next, I'm just gonna put it on top, and I'm just gonna change its color, but you can do that after adding your other stuff like the images to use a color picker. So let me add a text box, and the font I'm gonna use is Anton. This is my first text box. I'm just gonna put it right here, and I'm gonna add more text, duplicate it using Ctrl+D key. Let's put them together like this with perfect alignment and increase its size. I'm just gonna make sure that there is no distance between them, but a very little bit distance. Next, I'm gonna go to uploads, and from here I'm just gonna insert this cream image, remove its background, go to layer and send it to the front, rotate it according to the text and put it next to the text on the box. Next, I'm gonna go and change this rectangle's color using the color picker, or you can use these colors that are given here, but I'm gonna use a darker color. Now we're gonna change the text color. You can change it to white because that fits my template the best. Next, I'm gonna change its text box font to Arimo. This is my font right here. Let me just put it right here. Duplicate your text box, and what I'm gonna do is add 50% of text. What I'm gonna do is make it a bit darker in color and give it the same color that I used for the rectangle, but a darker shade. Next, let's duplicate it, add a percentage sign, and I'm just gonna put it onto the right side but make it smaller. Rotate it according to that rectangle, and I'm just gonna add my text. For this, I'm gonna use another font which is a bit less thicker. Then I'm gonna change this color to a bit lighter color of pink. Go to text box. From here I'm gonna choose this custom template which says talk to us, and this is the details template, so I'm just gonna put it right here. You can add your detail template right here or customize this one. I'm gonna change this color to pink and go to uploads and add some flowers according to the color that I am using for this cream and this entire template. So I'm gonna use pink flowers and put them on both sides, on top and on bottom, and change their sizes. You can rotate them as well to change their angles. Then go to elements, and I'm gonna search for leaf, and I'm gonna just put a leaf here. You can use a free one. Then duplicate it using Ctrl+D, and I'm going to change its size and rotate it into different directions. These much leaves are alright. Next, I'm going to go to edit, give shadow glow to all of these one by one. So this was the final result of this was the final step of our entire tutorial. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. By the way, you can buy this poster from the link in the description below, so don't forget to check out the description.